It's here, guys. I ordered a shelf from an online store. I'll have the link in the information box. Basically for storage lang. Ayan. White pa. It's made of steel. And I have to buy yung mga boxes na nilalagay dito para bongga. I'm organizing everything right now, guys. And tell me if I'm the only one who collects paper bags. Look at that. That's how much paper bags I collect. Or I just don't wanna throw them kasi kaya sabi ko, you know, I always like, ay nako, keep them. Tapos itong mga plastic and mga paper bags din. Tapos I have a bunch of eco bags over here. I just don't like throwing stuff, you know. Ay, hoarder ba ako, kalurks. Hi everyone, good morning. Today we're gonna go head to a meeting this morning and then we're gonna go buy some boxes, storage boxes. Tapos we're gonna go to my first physical therapy. We weren't able to push through yesterday kasi walang doctor daw. So, this is my look. Day 1 of, physical therapy ba? Tawag dito. Dito tayo sa, Active Physiotherapy here in San Titi.
Gandara.
I'll have the address in the information box. Kasi madami nag-comment meron sila scolio.
Oo, talaga. Punta na kayo.
Masakit ba, Lizzie?
No, it's not gonna be painful.
Sister ko.
She's just gonna do exercises, tapos lalagyan din natin ng modalities.
Nakita mo anong kind ng Lizzie? Anong kind ng scoliosis?
Oo.
Ano yun?
C-curve.
C-curve.
Level scoliosis. May mamaya sila rin guys sa baba.
Sige.
Sabihin nila yung mga schedules, ganyan.
Hindi tayo
opening hours.
We're gonna start in a bit. Madumi yung lens ko. May smudge. Ultrasound. Para Lizzie, sabihin mo lang kung anong use niyan. Sabihin mo lang, i-caption ko lang siya.
Yung relax na, to relax the muscles. In preparation for exercise.
Ang next step, anong next step after Lizzie?
Kuryente.
Hot packs.
Hot packs. Tense.
To decrease the pain. Ayan. Shoot.
Paano mo alam kung saan area? Kasi nga yung muscle nga doon.
Oo.
So, kailangan talaga nakita niyo yung X-ray.
Oo.
Si Mama Sam.
Hello!
Hot pack. Yan.
Ay, yung hot pack.
20 minutes
cool.
yan. Tapos i-on na natin.
Masakit?
Hindi, as in parang lang siya. Langgam na gumagana.
Parang may lumalakid.
Kakatapos lang ako i-stretch dito sa bed. Tapos baba kami ng mat. Ayan.
Exercises.
Okay. Kailangan na i-stretch. And then yung last part is?
Traction.
For?
To decrease the pressure in your spine.
Hihilahin ka, no? Ayun, maraming mga strap doon.
Yung mga strap,
Yan. Dito ako hihiga. Saan yung ulo?
Dito.
Dito.
Tapos ito, sa arms mo.
Sa arms. Traction. Automatic traction system. Colors. Ito yung big press ko kung masakit.
Yung red. Okay lang may higa.
Kailangan ganyan?
Yes. Nakaano na ba?
We're done! Wala nang tension sa likod ko. Bongga. So, balik tayo dito. Pag pumunta kayo dito, hanapin yung sister ko. Lady. Ayan.
Open kami Mondays to Saturdays yung clinic. Pero yung doctor namin, si Dr. Wingan, every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 a.m. to 12.
Follow us on Instagram.
Ay, thank you very much. I am now back home, guys. That was a really good session. First time ko magpa-PT. So far, okay naman. All the tension is gone from my back. Now, I have to go to SM San Lazaro to buy some boxes for the shelf. Kasi wala sa SM nila. Kulang yung pieces nila. So, check ko sa SM San Lazaro. Currently, arranging everything. So, I have a lot of bags there for giveaways, guys. So, stay tuned for that. Ito naman mga kailangan i-film. Ang dami. By the way, I changed my curtains. Do you like it? I like it. And then I finally got like boxes for my shelf. Pero medyo aayusin ko pa yan. Hindi pa siya tapos. That's it na muna for today's vlog, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!